Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Home for EV charger smart routines. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Google Home app is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Tap on the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Setup Device from the drop-down menu. Choose Works with Google to explore compatible smart devices. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your EV charger's brand. Once you locate it, tap on the brand name. You will be prompted to sign in to your EV charger's account. Enter your login credentials and grant the necessary permissions for the Google Home app. After authentication, you will see a confirmation that your EV charger is linked to Google Home. Now, return to the home screen of the Google Home app. Tap on the Routines section found in the Settings menu. Select the plus icon to create a new routine. Choose a trigger for your routine, such as a specific time or voice command. Next, scroll down to the Add Action section. Tap on Adjust Home Devices and select your EV charger from the list. Specify the action you want the charger to take, such as turning on or off. Review your routine settings to ensure everything is correct. Finally, tap on Save to finalize your new routine. Your Google Home is now authorized to control your EV charger through smart routines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.